Alright, we're doing a recovery on this ASUS laptop. Supposedly, my aunt said that this thing is unable to boot. So it has been sitting for 2 years. It was quite top of the line in the past, many years ago, 2013. So I'm gonna try to turn it on and see what error she's talking about. Never been turned on since then, 2 years ago. Alright, we got power, light, and there's a light over here. Let me turn off this back. There's a light. Oh, it just turned on. It's a bit of a backlight issue here, bit of inconsistency in the backlight. Oh hey, scanning and repairing the C drive. Interesting. Wow. Okay, so the strange thing about this type of laptops that it's known that they have a I think this has a 500 gig hard drive with a 15 gig SSD as some sort of random storage in RAID 0. So I'm just hoping that none of these drives failed in the RAID 0. If not, we lose the data forever. Oh, it's done repairing the drive. I'm gonna see if I can recover that mechanical drive in there using this adapter. This basically can power any laptop drive if there's my USB and allow me to read data off it. If the camera will focus. There it is. By the way, the warranty on this is gone already, so that's why I'm disassembling it. Got it. Now we should just get this entire part out. Get it up and away. There it is. You're stuck along this edge. Look at this. Oh, they're just tiny devils. Strip them real easily. Then you have a strip bolt, and you have to pry the hard drive out. Alright, did a bit of research. This entire battery needs to come out, so time lapse on me removing the battery. This is a very strange brand of hard drive, never heard it before. Gonna plug it into the computer now, let's see what happens. I think we might have got it, because I see like this type of stupid type of partitions, and that means I probably got it. Because that means that this computer recognizes it, let's see. Okay, first segment we got nothing, alright. Let's hope we get something here. Partition H. Do we have anything from H? Oh, we got something from H. We got some longs. We got users. Windows. Okay, Windows is here. Users. That means it wasn't really a RAID 0. If it's a RAID 0, everything here will be gone. But I'm getting things here. So that means the micro SD card inside failed. Interesting, very interesting indeed. What I noted from now is that the HHD is actually okay. So I suspect it's this little thing here that failed. The M.2 drive that's used to speed up the HHD has failed. That's why the entire system will not post. So I'm just gonna remove this. I'm gonna wipe the main system drive. Then I'm gonna reinstall Windows onto the main drive, onto the HHD, and see how it goes. The entire system is posted in, it seems to be working. so there's no hardware issue. Okay dokie, we are on the second part of this build now. That's a bit of restoration basically. We're gonna redo the thermal compound here. I got some proper thermal compound, high performance thermal compound by Cooler Master. So we're gonna start the disassembly over here. Thermal compound's really done, so I'm gonna flip it over. We're gonna try to turn it on and see how it goes. Right, so just turn it back on. Alright, both fans are spinning. As you can see from the back, both fans are spinning, that's good. So I did plug in both fans correctly. Oh, they both stopped again. That means it's actually hitting a temperature where it's colder. Then there must be a certain temperature where slightly below that it won't trip the fans on. So now the fans are on again because Windows is slowly booting. Well, yeah, last one on this laptop was 220. Let's see if we beat 220 right now. So let's go run it again. Hopefully better thermals, it will do better. So it's loading and it's rendering right now. Well guys, after the thermal compound install, we got a new score of 228, which is not bad. We got 8% improvement then, so the fans ramp down when it's not really doing much, which is like when it's not like processing a lot of loads in the background, the fan would ramp down, which is different from what it was before, because before the fans would just be on the whole time. So that's pretty good. That means this thermal compound reapplication was quite effective for this, so that's great. The next step will be taking out this HHD and installing a brand new SSD. And I'm point here to pick up the new SSD. It just came and I'm here and I need to go back to my aunt's house. I'm gonna try to assemble it today. In all, I feel that this project was a success. I learned that opening up a laptop isn't as daunting as it might seem. The repair was definitely a huge success, as this laptop is now more capable in 2019 with a quad-core processor, 4 gigs of RAM and a 240 gig SSD for basic web browsing. With 181 gigs of storage left after I installed basic applications, there's a lot more room for her to put her videos or photos into that computer, as photos and videos and music use up very little storage. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and stay tuned for the next time I'm gonna open up my uncle's laptop to do an SSD replacement and a keyboard replacement. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.